Good morning, student. Today we are going to start one more topic for partnership, that adjustment in the close account. It means if on the time of making of PL appropriation account you are not utilized maybe interest on capital, maybe interest on drawing, salary or this type of expense, and directly you are going to distribute the profit in his profit sharing ratio, then what type of effect will come? That is showing by the adjustment, and that for the finishing of that effect we are going to do the one journal entry, that is the adjustment of closed journal entry. Just see, if A and B are the partners and profit is 8,000 and his ratio is 1:1, okay, and salary is 1,500 and 1,000, okay, 1,500 and 1,000. Without providing this salary, if you are going to distribute that profit, then 4,000 and 4,000 beta, rightly 4,000 4,000. But if case is that you have to provide the interest on capital, but you are just miss or not able to provide, or any other problem is there, then you are not provide that profit interest on capital. And after providing that interest on capital, just see what is the effect is there. First 1,500, 1,000, total is 25, less from 8,000, what amount is coming? 55. 55 divided in 1:1, then 2750, 2750. Okay, beta? Just see, 42 and 3750. Before 4,000, 4,000, without provide 4,000, 4,000, but really if you are going to provide, then 4,250 and 3750. Okay, it means there is a problem. If you are not going to provide, so that is just putting the problem. So we are just checking or taking this difference and finishing the difference by the doing of adjustment entry, that is called adjustment of close account. Because after the closing of that account, we are going to do the adjustment entry and try to finish the effect of this difference. Because he is getting 2,250 less and he is getting 250 more, because he is getting 4,000, but 3750 is needed. Here he is getting 4,000 but needed 4,250. Then how to solve this? It's minus, okay, then minus is debit and plus is credit. That minus will come, that is debited, because they are getting more amount, and plus will come, that is credited. Okay beta, plus will come, that is credited. It means in this type of case, main problem with this amount only, this 250 and 250, because other amount already set in the profit sharing ratio. Okay, are you say ki main problem of this? Because we are not distributing that amount 2,500 in this ratio as a salary and directly distributed in the profit sharing ratio. The problem with this amount. So then we are showing this amount and then wrongly distributed in profit sharing ratio. Same thing we are doing, and then take the difference. Just see, I am going to see one question, solve one question. By that you can easily understand this system. Okay, beta? Because problem will come for the that things that we are not presenting or miss for presenting, or you saying ki ignore or wrongly not shows. Okay, and question number 42. A, just see one table, B and C and total. Okay, then we are going to show the interest on capital. because interest on capital, Okay, beta. 3 partner is there. A, B, C is there. Okay, beta. A, B, C. His capital is 8 lakh, 6 lakh. Yes.
4.
And 4 lakh. Okay, beta. And in that question, they only ignore or miss the interest on capital at the rate of 6% or 8%?
8%.
8%. Okay, interest on rate of 8% plus. Okay, then go for the solving this question by the familiar things. 8%, 64,000. 8%, 48,000. 8%, 32,000. This is the interest on capital that we are just missed to show. Okay. See the question. In this question, this capital is changed, beta. Okay. I am removing the other question in our mind. Just see, the capital of B is 8 lakh capital of A, and B capital is B capital
4 lakh.
4 lakh, and this
3 lakh.
3 lakh. Okay. Then 8 8s are 64,000, 32,000 and 24,000. Okay. Actually, the problem is coming in this question. If we are not showing this interest on capital, and directly the total of this interest on capital will distributed or distribute now. Now we are distribute on the ratio of interest, the ratio of profit sharing ratio. The problem is coming from this total amount. So just we are going to take the total, and total is 1,20,000. Okay, beta? 1,20,000. Now this 1,20,000 will distribute in profit sharing ratio. That wrong is done by the question. Profit sharing ratio, and profit sharing ratio is
2:1.
2:1:1. Just distribute. So 60,000, 30,000 and 30,000. Then just take the difference. 4,000 positive, 2,000 positive, 6,000 negative, because downside is more, upside is less than negative. So in this case, it's expense, interest on capital, salary, commission is expense. In this case, less amount is debited and plus amount will credited. So less amount, it means C capital account debit to A capital and to B capital. C 6,000, 4,000 and 2,000. Okay, beta? On this way we are going to do the question by the making of this table. Clear? Okay, I am going for the next question. It's clear or not? First we are just distribute the interest on capital, that interest on capital, and then total of that interest on capital, then distribute that interest on capital in the profit sharing ratio 2:1:1, and take the difference between all. Minus, less is coming, that is debit, and plus sign is coming, that is going on the credit. Okay, go for the next question, 43. Okay, 43. Okay, 43.
A, B, C and D are the partners sharing profits in 2:1:1. They distributed the profit.
2:2:1:1. 4 partners there. A, B, C and D. Okay, capital
Capital 9 lakh.
total.
The profit of the year ending 31st March 2020, 9 lakh without
9 lakh is profit, beta. It's a profit 9 lakh. Okay. Okay, next.
For providing the following: salary to A at 15,000 per month, salary to B and D at 30,000 per quarter to each partner.
Wait. I am roughing this question and then solve it. Because it's needed more space, so then rub this question, then put this question on front of you and then solve, then very easy to understand what we are doing for that, because without seeing that question you cannot able to understand what is the answer and why we are going to put this out here. Okay beta, now we'll start question number 43. Four partners here, A, B, C and D. Okay, his ratio is 2:1:1. Then salary amount beta,
Salary amount A is 15,000.
15,000 per annum.
Yeah.
Okay, then B,
B and D 30,000 per quarter.
30,000 per quarter. Per quarter. Q. It's per annum or per month?
Per month.
15,000 per month na beta. Okay. And these both are 30,000 per quarter. And D?
B and D is 30,000.
B and D. Okay, B and D 30,000 per quarter. And C?
Not given.
Okay, next. Anything else?
No.
Finished. Only this. Okay, now we are going to solve this question. This amount, this salary we are not provide, then problem is coming about this salary. Okay, beta. Then we are going to solve the question A, B, C and D and total. Then salary 15,000 per month. Then multiply by 12, 15 into 12, 3 lakh. One lakh 80,000. Okay, beta. 15 into 12. 15 2s are 30. 0 3. 15 1s are 15 380. 1 lakh 80,000. 13 into 4. What amount is coming? 13 into 4. 1 lakh 20,000. Here nothing. Then again 1 lakh 20,000. Then total 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 4 lakh 20,000. Okay. Now going to distribute this amount in profit selling ratio. 2:1:1. 2 2 1 1. It means 6. 6 7 times. 7 into 2. 1 lakh 40,000. 1 lakh 40,000 and 70,000 and 7,000. It's easy to distribute, beta. You well on a system of distributing or not? Directly total amount. I will explain. Don't worry. Just see. Amount 42,000. 4 lakh 20,000 into ratio upon total ratio. Formula is amount into ratio upon total ratio. Okay, beta? Upon 6. Then 1 lakh. Okay? Clear? Clear, beta? Okay, go for this. Finished? Take the difference. 40,000 positive, 20,000 negative, 70,000 negative, and 50,000 positive. It means positive credit, and it means B capital David, C capital account David to A capital and to D capital. 20,000, 70,000, 40,000 and 50,000. Okay, as is coming. Same. Clear? Okay, go for the next. Some more question we are going to see.
A, B and C.
Wait. I am roughing this board and then because it's needed. Clear, beta? Okay. Okay, question number
44.
44. Then tell about the question.
A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 3.
Yes.
They have omitted interest on capital at 80% per annum.
18%.
8%
8%. Okay.
Per annum for 2 years
It's 2 years. Okay, no problem. Okay.
ended 31st March 2016.
And capital?
Their fixed capitals were 4 lakh, 6 lakh and 8 lakh respectively.
4,
6,
6 and
8.
okay, we are going to solve this. Only 2 years. Only the difference between the old question and this question, last question and this question, it's related with the 2 year. Okay, it's related with the 2 year. Okay. A, B and C, then total interest on capital 8%, 32,000, 48,000, 64,000. Okay? Clear? It's 1 year profit, 1 year interest on capital. Just add it. 2 year is first, it's a second year. Interest on capital 32,000, 48,000 and 64,000. Then total amount is, just see the total, 1 lakh, 1,30,000, 1,40,000, 1,44,000, 1,44,000. Just see the total of this 0,00882. Okay, and total of this is also this 64,000, 96,000 and 1,28,000. Okay, now distribute this 2,88,000 in the ratio of profit sharing ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. It means 6 is to 6. 288 divided by 6. 48,000. Okay, 48,000. It's a 48,000. Okay, same way, amount into ratio upon total ratio. 48,000, then 96,000, then 3 times. Okay, 0,004. 14. Take the difference. 288,000. It's a nil. No difference here. 0,000 and 4, 6. 16,000. Here 0,061. 16,000. It's in minus. It's in plus. It means C. Capital account debit to A. Capital 16,000 and 16,000. Address coming, beta?
Yes.
16,000. Okay, clear, beta? On this way, because of 2 year, we are taking the interest on capital first year, then second year. If you want to just solve the different 2 year, 1 year, then distribute that 1 year profit, then second year, then distribute the second year profit, then add, or directly calculate 16% or calculate 18%, then double, then also, that is the presentation value, beta, that is the presentation value. This table is the only presentation. This is the main things. In this entry, on this entry you will get the number, nothing else. Okay, beta, on this entry you will get the number. Okay, clear? Clear or not? On this way, we are going to utilize the all. If any other case, interest on capital is given, salary is given. Okay, if salary is given, then salary, commission is given, then commission. All thing is showing. then total, then distribute in the profit sharing ratio. Okay, beta? And more very important things. These are all the expense. But if any type of income is coming as like an interest on drawing, okay, so same process we are using. So the interest on drawing total, then distribute that interest on drawing in profit sharing ratio. But only thing is what? The only more important things, in the time of interest on drawing, minus will credit and plus will debit. Okay, beta? If the case of interest on drawing, then minus amount is credit and plus amount is debit. Okay, clear? It's clear, beta? If any income or any type of interest on drawing missing by the question, and you are going to calculate the interest on drawing, to calculate the interest on drawing total, distribute in the profit sharing ratio. Okay, and on that time, if minus will come, that will credit, plus will come, that will debit. Okay, clear? Okay, thank you.